Hello cellos, this is Brown Book, page 25, number 62, hot cross buns on the A string. So we've learned a new note, which is the third finger on the A string, C sharp. So similar to the F sharp, third finger, but now we're on the A string. You want to keep your fingers nice and curved so that they're super strong. Okay, so let's play this together pretty slowly, making sure that we're doing half notes and nice, full, long bows. Here we go. Okay, C sharp is ready. 1, 2, 3, 4. B, A, shh. Back to third finger, first finger, shh. A 4 times. B note. So now that we've got that, let's go a little bit faster, and this time I won't say anything. Okay, here we go. Okay, keep your thumb nice and bent on your bow hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Nice job!